Hi guys, I'm Isabel, and if you watched my first video of makeup, then you might like the second one, because I made up this. And so, first you're going to need a palette, which is my Only Manders, just gone to the shops. And as you can see, I'm just going to use my fingers because there's no brushes here. And, except for that one. And so this has lots and lots of colours. So I'm going to use some of these colours for my eyes. And maybe a bit for under here. And some lipstick. My favourite lipstick, which is my Only Manders. And it's really good. Really good to use. And a curler, because I'm 6, but you might know that I'm too young to use it, but I can, I'll show you. There we go. That one's curled, but I don't want that curled right now. So, there. That one's down. And the blush, this one's going to be a bit hard to use today. And as you may know that I did my first one today and then the second one now, because I just did my first one before. And two types of lipstick. One is for the top and one is for the bottom. This one is for the bottom. This one is for the bottom, and this one is for the top. This one is for the top and this one is for the bottom. Actually, no. This one's for the top, this one's for the bottom. So we'll just set that aside because you don't need that one. And, of course, some other colours. Some other palette colours. Now, I have a brush in here to use these colours, and probably, yeah, that's pretty much that you need. So let's get started. Alright, first we're going to go over the lipstick. And I have no idea what this is. Or is it what? That was the white. That was the white. And it smells like berry. And now this is the red that I'm going to use. Ugh. Red's pretty hard to get out. And this one is for the bottom. And you know that probably I'm just gonna pretty much just use my fingers to wipe. Today, because I threw my other one in the bin. Mum, is Harry's mama a wizard or a dad?
Both.
But how come they couldn't defeat Voldemort? Mum, how come they couldn't fight Voldemort?
Because he was too powerful, they couldn't defeat.
When Harry was a little baby. And now Harry's grown up, so he can defeat Voldemort. Because he's famous. there you have. There's your lips. Now we're going to go over these colours. And now we can just use this one and this one. If I couldn't get this one open, I couldn't get the brush out. So first we're going to use some of these colours because these ones are glitter and these ones aren't. So first I'm going to use the dark pink just down the bottom, just here, right on my lid, and the whole eye. Wait. That looks freaky. Okay. Freaky. Can I get this off with my hand? Yes, I can. Just gonna put it down here. And I think I might want to just use a bit for each time I use it. Mum, and why is Voldemort the powerfulest?
Are you doing your makeup tutorial?
Oh, sorry. I was talking about Voldemort and Harry Potter. Ugh. This brush is really hard to concentrate with. So don't ever use a really small brush. Only if you need to. Only if you need to. Because this brush is really for, you know, the bottom of the lid. This is really like used for, you know, down here. Just inlining that up. There we go. That's inlined. Now this one's gotta be done. Sorry if it's really quiet. And what's that sound in the background? It's the fridge. There. Now my pink is done. Yeah, just gonna do that. Okay. There. Now we're about to use sparkly green. Sparkly, sparkly green. Sparkles. Yeah. Sparkly, sparkly green. Sparkly, sparkly, sparkly. That's done. Now I'm up to curling my eyelashes. There we go. they're curled, I'm going to use some of this. Now this one has to have 2 fingers, because, you know, it's going to be hard today. Now that that's done, I'm just going to use pinky, and now just that bit of black, just go across, just a bit of black, finger, go across, across. Across like that, and go like my hand. This is for Ash Wednesday. I hope you enjoyed this my show today, and I'll see you on my 3rd one, which will be bye.